Since we already learned about Vuex, now it is time to implement it. So let's go to our index.js_store folder, which is the Vuex file, and then we want to create export const state, and this would be all of our state. We're gonna have cart, which would be an array, and then cart length, which would be 0. We want to create actions, so export const actions. And the name of the action that we're going to implement first is add product to cart, and then state commit, and then the product. I'll explain to you line by line after this. So now let's just write the code. Cart product equals to state.cart.find, and then prod will be prod.id equals to product.id. Not product, then commit push product to cart. So in order for you to create an action, you need to pass state and commit. State is because we want to access the state here, cart and cart length. And then commit gives us the ability to access mutations function. And if you see this commit, this is how we're going to access the mutation functions later on, which we have to create. Product is the product that the user will add. And the logic here is simple. First, we check in our cart state to find whether the product that the user about to add exists or not in the cart. Hence why we are doing equals to product that the user will add and a product in the cart. We check does it exist. If the product doesn't exist, then we want to push that product to the cart by passing this product that the user want to add, and this will be sent to our mutation function later on. Else, if the product does exist in the cart, we simply just want to increase the quantity of the product, which is another mutation function that we have to create later on, and then we pass in the product that we want to increase the quantity of. And finally, another mutation function just to increase the length of the cart. So it is really simple. We just learn about state and then we learn about action. So in the next video, we will learn on how to implement these 3 mutations functions. You must be wondering, why not just do the push to cart in here and increment product here, and as well as increment cart length here? Can we just do it in one action? We can do that, but the convention of Vuex is better to separate when you want to mutate a state in a separate function, which is in mutations, and action simply just to navigate which mutation that you want to use. So we are actually following the best practice. So I'll see you guys in the next video where we're going to implement the mutations function.